Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Thursday, 26th of June, and as you can see, I am outside the Blackpool Central Club on Kent Road, and I'm here just to bring you today's update. Looks like they've tackled that bit of that wall that looked like it was going to topple outwards. We've got this gigantic lovely skip here, so it's not going to be the best view from here, is it? But let's have a look. I'll walk down here, I'll see where I can get the best view from, but also I want to show you guys the whole building. To be honest, the whole front wall looks like it could fall. They have moved everything out of the way though, and you can see there's no cars or nothing's parked down here. So if that does decide to fall, it's not going to hurt anyone. It's just going to crunch down. Yeah, they've put that big skip there, so very convenient for the demolition crew, not so convenient for the person trying to film a video. But anywho, let's see if I can find a sweet spot where we can sort of kind of get a view. I mean, honestly, it could be a good view on the bridge. Although I don't have my tripod today because it was windy and it looked like it was raining when I came out. We've got a little lifty bit there. That's the bit we saw in the beginning, where that roof there. So they've taken all that roof bit down. Or likely they've pulled out the supports and the rest of it's fallen down. I could probably stand on this wall, you know, and get a better view. Hang on a sec. Let's have a look. I'm not standing on it, I'm sitting on it. What about that? How's that for a view? That's about the best we can get, guys. He's putting stuff here in this big skip. So it looks like we've arrived at the clearing up phase. Look folks, I'm stood on this skinny wall like I'm an Olympic gymnast, but I am leaning on a lamppost, so I'm not like overbalancing or unsafe. So we'll just stay here for a bit and film a bit of this. I do have to go into town. I want to buy some cat food and cat biscuits, so I might just film this for a bit, go into town, then come back and film again on the way home, you know, if I feel like there's not a lot to film right now, or if it's all going to be just picking up behind these skips. It's not going to be the most entertaining watch, is it? We want to see a little bit of demolition at least. I can just about see over here, he's picking up things like little bits of wood, old floorboards, roofing, I don't know, but it's just really tidying things up behind that big blue skip. But there's not really anything to see from here. So what I think I'll do now is I'll just stop this now, and I'll nip into town, and I will be right back after I've got my cat food, and hopefully there'll be something better to film. Hi guys, I've got back from shopping, so I'm here again to film. I do have to walk round and get on the car park because I can't actually go down here because it's fenced off. So even though the fence has fallen down and it's perfectly easy to walk down here, we're not allowed. So I'm going to respect the fence, but I just wanted to give you guys a little view of that side before I walk around. So here we go. And we can sort of see through the windows how much the roof's caved in. It's really windy, you know, and we can kind of look down there, but there's not really anything at all to see from this side. So I'm going to switch the camera off. I'm going to get onto the car park, get onto the other side to film, and we'll have a look and see what's going on at the other side. Hi guys, so we're on the car park now, as you can see. Doesn't look like we've missed much since this morning. I think this is going to be a very, very slow demolition. Although somebody did say it would take a week to take it down. Maybe it's just the first bit. Maybe they'll get a bigger machine in a day or so and like yank the whole thing down. Because I remember when the ambassador came down, of course the ambassador wasn't burnt in a fire or anything, but it was very unsafe and leaning, and the guy just drove in and he kind of just tapped the front bit, and pretty much the whole frontage came down. There, we've got a good view of it. So once they start on this bit, it is going to be a good view for everyone. Although I have a hunch that they might extend the fence. I don't know. I can see them putting the fence to say here where the ends of these white lines are, so we'd be here. But I mean, that'd still be good. It wouldn't make much difference, to be honest. So let's come around here and have a gander, or have as much of a gander as we can have, because this giant view blocking skip is there. You can see sort of kind of through that teeny gap there. Let's go. So we sort of can see a bit, but not really. So yeah, I might just go to the place where I was before when I was on that little bit of lamppost and just see, folks, if there's anything I can get from the other side. We get a brief view of the back of the Odeon there. Look, there has been stuff happening there, but nothing much. You can see a little bit through there. Oh, it's not much. There's really almost nothing at all. See, guys. Let's just see if we can get a little bit of a dramatic shot. Let's hop up on the wall here. Oh, let me just give me a second. Can't hop on there. There we go. I'm sitting down on the big bit of the wall. Right, like that, that's a bit better, isn't it? Gosh, it's windy. It's blowing the... I've got my mini tripod and I'm gripping it as tightly as I can. And the wind's just blowing. I'm going to stand up. Hang on. About that there. Quite a little bit more. Just looking for that sweet spot. The only machine that's working at the moment. We've got this here that's obviously bought and hauled this here, that's hauled those skips in this morning, but it's the only thing that's working at the moment. So we might as well just stay around here for a few minutes and just film. We might see something come down, but I don't have really high hopes. Although look, come on, grab that, give it a big pull. It's just really, I think, pulling all the wood out for now. I'm surprised there's no drones out here. This could be a good bit coming down, folks. That's a big brick. Go on, give it a good old pull. Just for a second then I thought he was going to yank down a massive piece of floor, did you? I think we're going to get everything in bits and bobs, aren't we? I don't think anything's going to be giant. something again. It's like that bit of carpet is going for. Come on, give it a good old pull. Okay folks, I think I'll finish this one now. I think I've given you as much as I can give you for today. So I'm gonna go home now, feed my cats and grab some lunch for myself. So as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys soon in the next video. Goodbye.